In this video, you'll discover the fastest way to find help and reach Agoda customer care. First, click the search bar on your browser's homepage and type Agoda to search for the official website. Click on the Agoda link in the search results to open their homepage and access support resources. Select the Account Management category in Agoda's Help Center to review your options for managing your account or getting assistance. Next, open the cancellation FAQs and review answers about canceling bookings, including situations where your booking hasn't been confirmed yet. Give positive feedback if the help article answers your question, letting Agoda know the information was helpful. Now, select the Booking Confirmation section and check the steps for finding missing booking details or confirmation emails. For app users, follow the instructions on using the My Trips button to quickly access your booking details. Now you know how to navigate the Agoda Help Center and contact customer care whenever needed.